Welcome guys, today we are going to find out how to install WhatsApp on your Windows 10 PC. So you should first go to your browser. So it most commonly may be Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera or something else. Somehow you should end up in Google and then you should type WhatsApp download and then click on enter, and then most probably the first link may be www.whatsapp.com/download, and you can find this link in the video description below this video, and then somehow go to this first link, and then you can download WhatsApp for phones and Windows PC. So my computer is running a 64-bit operating system, and if you don't know the bit of your system, you can simply go to the search bar down here and then type system, SYSTEM, and under the settings section you can see system, not system information. So just click on system on the settings, and then you will be directed to this, and in here under system type you can see 64-bit operating system, 64-bit based processor. So now you know your system capability. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit? So now go back to the page, and if your system is 32-bit version, you can click on this one, or if it's running at 64-bit, click this big green box, and then you'll be directed to this. You can see you should download it, and this is the WhatsApp installer. So go click on start download and wait until this thing finishes. So it will take a little time, so stand by. So guys, the download has completed, so now we can go to the folder. So now you should go to the downloads folder, and you can see WhatsApp setup. Double click on it and wait until it loads. So guys, it took a little bit of time, but however, and finished. So I did not do anything, my computer got stuck a little bit, so now I think we are okay. Now you should scan this QR code with your phone at WhatsApp web, follow these 3 instructions and get started. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and ring in the bell icon for notifications. So see you guys in another video like this. Bye guys.